What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new unboxing of 2024 Diecast from Circle B Diecast, and we're going to start it off. They include one of these mystery NASCAR Authentics with almost every purchase, so that's pretty cool. We'll check that out later on. But we've got brand new 2024 cars to go over in this box, 7 of them to be exact. We're going to get into that right now, one by one. Let's see here, one at a time. So first up is the Ally Darlington throwback for Alex Bowman. Throwing it back to Jimmy Johnson and the Lowe's iconic scheme. So this is the diecast body and chassis version. Of course, the newer releases. Getting them early, paying a tiny bit more. What are you going to do? I'm a sucker, so I do it. Next up is going to be Brad Keselowski's Castrol 125 years moving forward 2024 Mustang diecast body chassis. And I see what's next, so I'm going to keep that one right there because another Brad Keselowski car coming through. The BuildSubmarines.com number 6. NASCAR Salutes Patriotic scheme. Really like this one. It's got the special Goodyear on there, Goodyear tires. And I really like this one. Looks great. RFK number 6. 2 of them here for BK. Moving right along. Let's go ahead and get this one out of the way. This is Denny Hamlin in the number 11 Mavis. Tires and brakes for Joe Gibbs Racing. Packing penis out of the way. All in the box, in the way. But of course, we've had a bunch of different Mavis schemes this year. Not all of them are going to see the light of day, but this one does. Moving on. We've got John Hunter Nemechek in the number 42 Dollar Tree Toyota for Legacy Motor Club. Pretty cool. Let's get a Legacy Motor Club number 42. John Hunter Nemechek. Trying again in the Cup Series, as he does once every few years. And probably won't be there next year. But cool nonetheless. 2 more to go. Let's see what we got. His teammate, Eric Jones, in the Family Dollar, number 43, for Legacy Motor Club. So the Toyotas are coming in now. We're getting some Toyota cars that we haven't got up to this point. It's been a bunch of the Chevys, then the Fords, and Toyotas coming through now. So there we go. 42 and 43 teammates. Eric Jones, John Hunter Nemechek. Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. One more, and it's, get that out of the way now. And it's the number 23 for Bubba Wallace. The U.S. Air Force Toyota, once again, for Bubble. So there we go. Loaded up with some Toyotas today. We got Bubba Wallace, Eric Jones, John Hunter Nemechek, and Denny Hamlin. Right there. Then, of course, we got the 2 from Brad Keselowski. two gorgeous ones, to be exact. And then to wrap it up, it's the Ally Darlington throwback for Alex Bowman. So, that will about do it for this one. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment on what you liked the best from the video, which diecast is the coolest to you guys, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out, and I will catch you in the next one. Alright, forgot to show this. So for Funsy Onesies, I've got it opened, haven't seen what's in it yet, but let's see what we got. If I can do this, let's see. So, looks like it's the Matt Kenseth DeWalt. Okay, I'm stupid. It's Eric Jones back when he was in the 20. Alright. So, whoopsie daisy. It's the Eric Jones number 20. So now, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you.